It has been months since we came out. It has been so cold. It's been so much snow on the roads. And now you see, because today is temperature in 45s. Huh? So used to do so much walking, but not anymore. And these are the mountains. You can see that. Wow. And now what is new coming? So this is receding, but so much of water. So the flood coming, I don't even know who is going to be seeing this, because I cannot see. It's bright and sunny. So this is our Chicago. I mean, look at this. Such a double height of mine. This is almost 12 feet of snow. Wow. Beautiful. Snow, snow, snow all over. Today is the trash pickup day. So I cannot read whosoever is joining because it's bright. The screen doesn't show. The purpose is now yeah, big fun. Look at that. It is almost 12 feet. That pile, oh boy. So weather was very, very cold. It was minus 19, minus 20 with the wind chill, and that too in Celsius, and then snowing every day snow. So it was piling on. So they said 47 or 48 million tons of snow in 21 days. Chicago has seen it. Wow. Look at that. Wherever you see snow. So, but today we are seeing people coming out to walk, and they are very happy. It's in 40s, the temperature. Wow, water. This is the interesting part. So much water. It snowed all over. We saw that. East Coast was bad, so was Chicago, Midwest, even Oklahoma had much of snow. But there it's 60s, so must have gone. Oh boy, that's such a big pile too. Unbelievable. Wow. So walking in the snow, roads are dry, but the sidewalks are still water accumulated, so it's not good to walk. One day somebody asked me why people walk on the road. I said because there's a lot of snow which has been ice, and then now the water. So you to walk even on the road, it's unsafe. He said cars do come. I said yeah, which one is more safer? You have to take a bet. Look at this. Kuram bhaiya, look at the piles. They're almost more than, I am 5'6", so these are almost 12 feet or so, more than that, because I can see they're double my height. बट आज काफ़ी लोग पैदल निकले हैं वॉक करने के लिए. Somebody's car is very clean. I have the same car, but mine needs to get a wash. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Stay safe. Enjoy the day today after many weeks that we got this weather. Wow. And my favorite two kids are out. Hi! I'm seeing you after months and months and months. Hello? Then the twin brothers. Everybody is so happy. I said I seen them after many months. Wow. Namaskar, Mehul Bhai Sahab. I read something popped up. Chalo. Time to say bye-bye. Snow and snow. Bye-bye everybody. Stay safe.